Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video in Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut PC, and for example, I'm going to remove this watermark from this video. First of all, I'm going to duplicate my video. I'm going to click on my video and right click on it and select copy, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and after that I'm going to put mask to my second video. I'm going to go to the mask option and I'm going to choose the circle mask, and we can adjust the size and the position of the mask like this. And I'm going to take another part of my video to cover the watermark. I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover the watermark. Okay, and after that I'm going to go to the basic and I'm going to cover the watermark with the mask. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, or until the watermark has been totally removed. And now it's done. And if you are still not satisfied, you can adjust the mask. You just need to go to the adjustment right here, and then you can adjust the contrast and the highlight or the shadow to make it more natural, just like that. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video in Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.